ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Just Eat app crashing. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? The first thing you want to do is force close your Just Eat application and try to reopen it. If that doesn't work, you want to simply go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store, depending on the application or phone you're using, and simply go ahead and search for Just Eat. There might be new latest versions available for the application which you might not have updated to. All you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on the application. There's going to be an update button. If there are any updates available, simply go ahead and update it, and that is it. If that is not the case, you might have to ensure a stable internet connection. Try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data. Also try to toggle on and off your airplane mode just to give it that quick refresh. Once you've done all of that, and if it still doesn't work, you might need to just uninstall and then reinstall your application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.